Hello students, in this video we'll see the neural network basics. A neural network is a type of computer program that is designed to work like the human brain. Just like our brain has neurons that process information, a neural network has artificial neurons, nodes, that learn patterns and make decisions. Here is the basic parts of a neural network. First is input layer. This is where the network receives information. Example: if you want a neural network to recognize a cat, the input layer might take in an image. Next layer is hidden layers. These are layers where the magic happens. Each neuron in these layers processes information and passes it to the next layer. The network learns by adjusting connections between neurons. Output layer. This layer gives the final result. Example: it could say, yes, this is a cat, or no, this is not a cat. Where are neural networks used? Neural networks used in every AI application, like face recognition, self-driving cars, and many more.